Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and I just want to show you all this library I just created. Now, one thing there's no shortage of inside inside NPM is libraries for coloring your logs. So I'm not going to say I'm offering anything too different than there is in libraries like Chalk and many more that offer the ability to color your logs. But I do think my library is simple enough that you might like it and you might want to use it. But man, coming up with a name was difficult because pretty much every good name for like rainbow logs, nice logs, pretty logs was already taken. So I just ended up calling it Merced logs. Okay, so let's just do it. So I am going to open up a new terminal. I'm going to create a package.json. And then we will install the library, which is npm install mercedlogger. Okay, so that's installed. It's interesting that that's high risk. There's no dependencies, but okay. Okay, let's just make sure that it was installed correctly. 1.01. Okay, so let's create a index.js. And just to show you how it works. So basically you would import it. You can either import color or log from mercedlogger. Now the way log works is that there's several colors, so you can just do like log dot, and see there's like cyan, green, magenta, white, red, yellow. Okay, so let's say I want to do a white log. The first is a label, so we'll just say like, status, and then the second argument is just the text, all working. And this way you don't have to worry about really any of the formatting; it just kind of works. So if I run this node index.js, and you see status all working, and I can kind of do this over and over again. Just so you can see like all the colors. So I think there's 6 altogether. So red, green, yellow, cyan, and magenta. Okay. So then you can see like all those are easily available to you to do statuses like that. Okay, just quick messages. Now, if you don't necessarily want this format, you have the color object, which is just allows you to color things. Okay, so if I were to do color dot, you have a bunch of different things like available to you. There's more than just that. Okay. So basically, like, let's say I want to do a console.log. Okay. Basically the way it would work is I would first, let's say, I want a foreground color, so I would say like color dot fg. Actually, I think this is supposed to be colors dot f, there we go, dot fg. So we can say I want the color to be blue, and I want the background color, this is a lot like Chalk, the background color to be, so if we basically the foreground color is blue, let's make the background color yellow. It's gonna look ugly. Then we would add any text that we want. Hello, hello, hello. And then you would need to add the reset so it doesn't apply to all other text in the terminal. So then it would be a color dot reset. And I think, yeah. And then I think you could also even add like other, if I'm right, it's like colors dot underscore, yep. So you can even add that. So that applies the status. So this will apply the status, and then this resets it at the end. So then if I do this, see hello, hello, hello. Okay, which again, that's the an ugly color combination, but you can do whatever theoretically you want with the colors that are available. Um, Using the colors object and using the log object, you have these pre-built 6 sort of logs with label, making it pretty easy to kind of set that up, and all the colors are kind of already applied and the colon's already provided. All you have to do is just provide the label and the message. Easy. So that's it. That's just a easy coloring library. It gives you some options. Nothing too, I wouldn't say, again, just like this colors object is like provided to you in so many different libraries. But again, I think the way this log function works provides a little extra value, and it's a pretty small library. Okay, like this. Let's take a look at the source code. Like I'll show you the source code. It's pretty. It's the colors object. Then I define the functions, and then that's it. Okay, nothing too crazy. And then you can see this other bright, dim, underscore, blink, reverse, hidden. Let's try some of these. So what if I did this? Colors dot blink plus, and let's see what that does. I don't really see much of a difference. Okay, what if I do colors dot bright? Okay, made it a little bit thicker. Okay, go back over here. It's bright, blink, reverse, dim. Let's try that. Reverse and dim. Reverse. Okay, so reverses the colors. That's kind of neat. That actually looks a bit better. And then there's dim, which I'm assuming is going to like kind of fade it out. Dim. Yep, that kind of dimmed out the color. And then let's try hidden. Oh, and then it just hides it. That's silly. And was there anything else? I think I got all of them. Bright, dim, underscore, blink, and blink didn't really do much of anything. And then you just have the colors. Cool. So that's mercedlogger. See you guys later.